everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I've got the Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box for July to share with you all today. This is always a really exciting day. I really enjoy getting this box in the mail. I have always loved Potomac beads. They have such high quality beads and findings. They make a lot of their own beads and findings, and they're all about high quality. They have a website where they have thousands of products. Pretty much anything you need to do beading and jewelry making, they have. And they have a YouTube channel where they have hundreds, maybe more than 1,000 videos that you can watch and get inspiration from. It will show any kind of beading you want to do. Bead weaving, stringing, wire working, macrame, just anything you think of, they've got a video for it. So it's a really good place to learn and get inspiration. This is the treasure edition of their subscription box. They also have a kit edition. I think in that one you get 2 or 3 projects every month with all the beads and everything you need in each kit to make whatever the piece of jewelry is. But this is the treasure edition. It's 15 to 20 packs of curated beads and jewelry making supplies. It's at least a $75 value. They have 5 golden tickets. Well, I think they have 10. I think they have 5 for this box and 5 for the kit edition. And they're randomly put in everybody's boxes. And if you happen to get a golden ticket in your box, you win a prize that is at least worth $50. And they gave me a link to put in the description box below that will take you directly to the page on their website that talks about both of the subscription boxes, so you can read about it and learn more about it if you want to. So I'll have that in the description box below. If you buy the box monthly, if you pay for it by the month, it's $39.99 a month. If you pay for it quarterly, it averages out to $34.99 a month, so you save $60. And if you pay for it a whole year at a time, it averages out to $29.99 a month, so that saves you $120 a year. So I'm gonna open this up, and it always comes in this really cool box that I always have to talk about every time because it's really neat. It's got like a magnetic closure there, and my husband's always trying to steal them from me, but I like to use them for storage. I might let him have one every now and then, you know, if he's good. So I'll take a little peek. That's what's in there. Take a little peek there. So hold on, let me get everything out and organized and everything, and I'll be back. We'll go through everything. Okay, it looks like the theme this month is Gilded Glamour. Step into a realm of gilded glamour where opulence meets sophistication. This enchanting collection showcases a harmonious blend of rich scarlet hues, lustrous silver accents, and touches of gilded luxury, inviting you to create jewelry pieces of timeless beauty. And then down here it says, to excite your inner creativity and find more beading happiness, visit, and it's got the website here where you can go and get ideas for how to use the beads. And then on the back here we've got our list of things that's in the box. The first thing are these curved tube beads. It says, where'd my little package go that they came in? 10 by 2 millimeter, 99.9% pure silver plated. These are really nice. I like to use these as spacers. They're good for, since they're curved, they're good. Maybe you could put them on the front of a necklace and hang your pendant off of them, or put them on a bracelet and hang a charm off of them. They're really good for things like that. That's what I've always used them for, so those are really nice. Next is a little clasp garden clasp, and I've always wanted a clasp garden clasp, so I've never had one. This is a very tiny little clasp. I've never had one because they can be kind of expensive. This is really cool. It's got a really pretty design on it there. The back is just plain, but it's got a really pretty design there on the top. And you just pinch it to get it out there, and then take it out like that, and then put it back. Works kind of like a box clasp. And you just pop it back in there. That's really, really pretty. Okay, the next thing are Czech Paisley disc beads, and mine says metallic vitriol is the color. That's another thing I meant to tell y'all. It's possible that you might not get the same colors of beads that I do. Sometimes, depending on what they have in stock, they might have to make some substitutions, and everybody might not get the same color beads. But I mean, like, everybody will get Czech Paisley disc beads, but they might not be the same color, or they might be, I don't know. But I know sometimes they have to switch up the colors. But whatever color they send, it will coordinate beautifully with all the other beads. These are really cool. These have like a purple lavender on one side, and the other side is like gold. That's really, really pretty. Really sparkly and shiny. I really love those. You all know me. I love the sparkle and shine. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of them. There. So those are really pretty. Okay, next are Czech Glass 3mm round beads, and mine say Crystal Maria. I've never known how to say that, if it's Maria or Maria. But these are just really, really pretty. Little 3mm beads. They're just really pretty. Kind of got different colors in them there, depending on how you turn them. And those are just real, real pretty. Okay, next is a Lobster Clasp figure 8. It says premium 24 karat gold plating, 19mm. That's really cool. I've never had a lobster clasp like that makes a figure 8. That's just really pretty. Different. Really pretty gold color. It's not that yellow gold that I don't really like. So that's really nice. Okay, next are Potomac Crystal Devoted Hearts. And mine says CS Sphinx. CS Sphinx. I don't know if that's the color. I don't know. It's 13 by 17mm. And there's a pack of 4. And these are just a really pretty sapphire blue color. And the hole is through there like that. So you could hang them off a pair of earrings, or as a charm off of a bracelet or something. The back it's got a little foil back there. Those are really nice. Really, really pretty. 4 of them, so if you wanted to make 2 pairs of earrings, I guess you could. Okay, next is a jet matted geometric design, 1 strand. And these are really cool. They're just really, really awesome. I love that design in there. Those are just really, really pretty. And there's quite a few of them on this strand here. Pretty good long strand. We can definitely do something with those. They're just really pretty. Really nice. Okay, next are Potomac Crystal Rondelles Dark Garnet AB 3 by 4mm. These are really, really pretty. Really, really pretty dark red. I have always liked the combination of red and black together. So this is really speaking to me, this box is. I can get some on here so you can see them better. So those are just really, really pretty. Faceted, shiny, all the things I like. You get quite a few of them too in there. I don't see, it doesn't say on the package how many there are, but there's quite a few in there. So those are really nice. Okay, next are Potomac Pearls Cranberry 6 millimeters, an 8-inch strand. These are really, really pretty. Like I said, I just really love that combination of the black and red. I've always liked that. That's really pretty together. Those are really, really nice. And these are the ones I'm pretty sure that Potomac Beads makes themselves, and they're really good quality. The holes are nice. Those are just really, really nice. Okay, next are some Potomac Crystal Disco Balls. Mine are Crystal Labrador, which is silver. They're 6 millimeter, and they have 96 facets. That's amazing to me, how they can put 96 facets on a bead. That's just incredible. That's what makes them look like disco balls, though. I can get a few on here. Those are just really, really pretty. Tiny little disco balls. Makes me want to dance, but I can't dance anymore. Well, I never could dance, but I can't even try to dance anymore. Those are really pretty. Next, we have some 4 millimeter round gemstone beads, and mine are Poppy Jasper. Those are really, really pretty. Little tiny 4 millimeter gemstone beads. I don't believe I've ever had Poppy Jasper. Get so many up here that are different. You can see the difference in them. Those are really, really pretty little tiny gemstone beads. There's quite a few of them there. Next is a strand of Czech Glass round 3 millimeter beads. That mine are light topaz. Those are really pretty little 3 millimeter, tiny little 3 millimeter beads. Really, really pretty. Next is a tube of 11 Miyuki seed beads, and it says DuraCoat Galvanized, and that's all it said. So I looked it up. I looked the number up on there. I thought it looked like them. This is DuraCoat Galvanized Light Champagne. And you all know I use a lot of DuraCoat Galvanized Champagne seed beads. So these are really nice. Really love getting these. Can't seem to keep them. I use so many of them. Next are Czech faceted rounds, 4 millimeter. And mine are Aztec Gold. And I really love Aztec Gold. Aztec Gold and Flax are my two favorite color golds. These are really, really pretty. I really like these. We got gold and black and red going on here. This is a really beautiful color combination that they've put together here. There's quite a few of them in there too. Little 4 millimeter faceted Czech Glass beads. Really pretty. Okay, next is Czech Glass saucer rondelle beads. And mine say opaque, and then they stop there. So I don't know. Probably opaque red or something. I don't know. Those are really cool. Put them on my rod here so you can see the hole is in the center there like that. That's what those are like. That's what they look like that way. Those are really pretty. Got some more red coming in here. Those are really nice. Okay, next are Czech Glass Nugget beads. Jet Topaz Swirl AB. 4 to 6 millimeter is what I got here. These are really cool. They're all different. Like a matte color, but they've got that AB coating on them. So you kind of get the best of both worlds there, matte and AB. And they're all different. Those are really, really pretty. There's a lot of them there too. Really, really pretty. And I think I've just got one more thing left, so hold on. And next are Czech Bicone beads, Black Diamond. These are really pretty too. It's really, really pretty. So that's the last thing, so hold on and let me get it all together here. I've mostly got it all together, but let's see if I can get my camera adjusted where you can see it well, and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything in the July 2023 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box. These are some really pretty beads, a really, really pretty color combination here. I think we can make some really pretty things with these beads. I hope I can anyway. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description box below that will take you directly to this subscription page on their website, and it'll tell you all about the different subscriptions and all in case you want to check it out. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.